Hi, this is Iris Batin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. It's a very interesting period where we are because we don't only have springtime, we have a sort of a new beginning, a beginning of a very big cycle, and where there will be more fire. It's not only an inner fire from the spring, from springtime. It's also a fire from the sun and the sun flames. So we all are influenced by that fire. So many people will get in this period of time, they can get frustrated, they can have angers, something old that popping up. It's like that little volcano that you feel inside of yourself that wants to explode. Okay, this is the feeling. So what do we do with that? One of the things is that is a fire is immensely very important for us humans to really use that fire, to master the fire, so that we can create a new self, a new world. We really need to understand that in this period of time, that everything what is polarity, everything is what is the thinking, it has to go down. So because the female energy, it's okay. I will tell you it in a story. It's like you are invited in a party, and it's a family party, and there is an aunt that really triggers you. She really triggers you all the time. And she comes in, it's family time, she comes in the room, and you feel already your belly is compressed, and you feel that frustration that this lady is coming in. And then this is a time where we can go in, and that we can feel, why is my belly compressed? Why is my heart compressed? And then you're gonna really go inside and feel, okay, this is Auntie Josephine or whatever. She's very dominating. She's a dominant woman. And that's why I feel like crumbled. So what do I do with that feeling? Because she's a trigger of my fire. So, which means that I have to look inside and feel, okay, it's time to give space. So when we have that, and we will have many opportunities for that in this, we will have occasions enough to feel those things. So where the female has been dominated, you have to give it room again. You have to give it space again. And I'm not talking about men or women. It's about female and masculine. So the masculine energy, what is head, is polarity, has dominated. The belly is about feeling. So we really have to go down from our head towards the belly and give room to the belly, so the belly can come up again. It's like the man, the masculine, has to slow down, go down, and the female they have to really come up with these emotions and express these emotions, so that we can come together, the female and the masculine, in our heart space. And this is what we are learning in this period of time. So this fire will ignite your seed of your dream, and the dream is the space you want to give to yourself. So really think about your aspiration. Where do I want to give space to? And most of the times the dream has to do with giving space to yourself. So look at it in that way, but feel that fire in every cell of your body, and use it for the good cause of your life. And this is really a splendid time. So I really wish you all the best, and make something tremendous, beautiful. This is inventing time. This is really a time of a new beginning, of a huge cycle, where you can choose, or you will shine and be constructive and creative, or it can be a period of immense destruction, of big wars, of big floodings. So we choose, each of us, we have the choice. Happy Ostara, happy springtime, and just, I hope you can enjoy Oha.